Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba uyaphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke ongakwenza-ke ukuthi-ke ungixhase ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi uthole nezinye iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngilethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke. So ongakwenza njengamanje ukuze ingakuphuthi lezi ndaba ongakwenza nje ukuthi-ke ucindezele-ke lelo bhathini o-subscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba kulethele lona-ke namhlanje-ke laphana-ke ngiphethe-ke ividiyo-ke kaFikile Mbalula-ke laphana-ke enganeme-ke ngesenzo sika-Jacob Zuma-ke sokubuyisa-ke laphana-ke ujaji-ke uHlophe laphana-ke amenze-ke umholi-ke we-MK-ke laphana-ke ephalamende-ke laphana. Uyaveza ukuthi-ke indaba-ke enganeme-ke kodwa-ke angifuni ukuthi wezwa ngami-ke mina-ke phela nje into engizoyenza nje ngizodlala-ke ividiyo-ke nje uzizwele wena-ke ukuthi-ke uthini-ke laphana-ke. Mina sengicela kuwe laphana ukuthi masuzwile-ke nje le video-ke ungene ema-comment section-ke ushiye umbono wakho-ke laphana-ke kuma-comments wena-ke ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke leli-ke noma-ke ngokushiwo nguye uFikile Mbalula-ke mase-ke cindezela ibhathini nje subscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthola nezinye iy'ndaba ezintsha-ke nje engizokulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke. Nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
Who are very colorful in their rhetoric are not our friends. They are not our friends. Zuma decided to break the ANC and divide it, and it's not going to stop about it. He decided to break us and reduce us below 40%, and he doesn't have a program of action of what he's going to do with that 40% except sending a questionable judge to parliament. Very questionable character. Send him. Just to spit on the face of South Africa, he brings Hlophe and even send him to the JSE, just to show us that he's got no respect for constitutionalism and everything else. And then to spit on our face, he brings him to parliament. And then to say, lead these people. What does Hlophe say? The first thing he's asked, why do you agree to lead this party?